You can upload motion graphics templates to a Creative Cloud library for easy collaboration with other Adobe users. This is done in the Essential Graphics panel. Go to the frame that you want to use as the thumbnail image of your template. Select Set Poster Time. Go to the bottom right of the panel and select Export Motion Graphics Template. The project needs to be saved. Open the drop-down menu under Destination to choose the library you want to save it to. You can also export to the local drive to save a personal copy of the mogrt file on your computer. Today, we'll choose a library. Add keywords in case you need to search for this template. Select OK. In the Creative Cloud desktop app, use the menu on the left to go to Files. Your Libraries. Your template will be waiting here for you. Use the blue Share button in the top right to send this library to others. They will be able to find your template in the Libraries panel of Adobe apps like Premiere Pro and After Effects. Hope this helps.